To align the doors of a freezer-on-bottom French door refrigerator, first make certain that the refrigerator is in its final position. On the ends of the grill, there are molded areas that jut out and cover the brake feet. To avoid possibly breaking the grill, grasp and hold the inside front edges of the brake foot covers firmly, pulling both ends toward you at the same time until the grill releases. Raise the front stabilizing brake feet located on each side of the refrigerator by turning counterclockwise until they are visibly off the floor. Depending on the model, there may be 2 or 4 adjustable rollers used to level the refrigerator. Each roller can be raised and lowered independently and has a corresponding adjustment screw at the base of the refrigerator. 1 adjustment screw on each side indicates the refrigerator has front rollers and is front leveling. 2 adjustment screws on each side indicate the refrigerator has front and rear rollers. The rear are for stabilizing and the front are for leveling. The outer adjustment screws are for the front rollers and the inner adjustment screws are for the rear rollers. Use a screwdriver or a 3/8-inch hex driver for most models to turn the roller adjustment screws on either side to raise or lower that side of the refrigerator. Referring to your use and care guide will confirm the appropriate size hex driver for your refrigerator model. Turning the adjustment screw to the right or clockwise lowers the roller and raises that side of the refrigerator. Turning the adjustment screw to the left or counterclockwise raises the roller and lowers that side of the refrigerator.